Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to send email from Zoho CRM. So first, you're going to open your preferred browser and you want to go here to Zoho CRM. Then you want to log in into your account, and after that, you're going to click on Access Zoho CRM. And once you're here, you want to navigate over here at the left sidebar and you want to make sure that you have opened sales. Then we're going to click on leads, and once you're here at the lead page, you'll be able to see a list of your client's information. So first, you're going to select the client or the customer that you want to contact. So you're going to click on their name over at the lead list. Then over here, you'll be able to see all of their contact information, their email, and their mobile number. So in order to send an email, you're simply going to click on Send Email over here at the top. And as you can see, the customer's email is already added over here at this field. So now you want to go ahead and compose your email for this specific customer. So if you already have a template, you're going to click on Insert Template over here at the top. But if you don't, then you can always create a new email. Then you're going to go over here at the subject field where you're going to type in the subject or the reason for you contacting this specific customer. Then over here at the bottom, this is where you're going to compose your email, of course. Then you can also utilize the options over here in composing your email. And once you're done with that, just click on send over here at the bottom. And that's it. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.